Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. There are some examples. Noun: Pile, London, gold, rose, Mohan, Delhi, honesty, etc. Pronoun: he, she, it, they, this, that, those, these, etc. Adjective: beautiful, tall, happy, intelligent, brave, kind, etc. Verb: run, eat, write, kill, go, am, is, are, rise, move, etc. Adverb: quickly, slowly, carefully, happily, loudly, quietly, well, badly, etc. Preposition: in, on, at, with, of, to, for, upon, over, under, etc. Conjunction: and, but, or, nor, so, yet, for, because, although, though, etc. Interjection: wow, oh, ouch, oops, yeah, hooray, alas, brave, etc. Follow for more. Facts about solar system. Brightest planets: Venus. Coldest planet: Neptune. Hottest planet: Venus. Biggest planet: Jupiter. Smallest planet: Mercury. Nearest planets to Sun: Mercury. Nearest planets to Earth: Venus. Red planet: Mars. Morning and evening star: Venus. Earth's twin planets: Venus. Follow. Present tense, past tense, future tense. I am, I was, I will be, I have, I had, I will have, I do, I did, I will do, I find, I found, I will find, I run, I ran, I will run, I say, I said, I will say, I come, I came, I will come, I eat, I ate, I will eat, I buy, I bought. I will buy. I hear. I heard. I will hear. I hide. I hid. I will hide. I send. I sent. I will send. I keep. I kept. I will keep. I make. I made. I will make. Follow for more.